Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? We are back on our journey to learn Python for modern AI agentic development. Today we are going to uncover a powerful tool that can make us function like Iron Man in the world of programming, and that is functions. So let's know what are functions. Function is basically a machine to which you give an input. It will process that input and give you a processed, elegant, beautiful output, one that makes your life easier. Now, how can you make a function? How can you start that machine? It is very simple. You just have to type def, and that signifies I am defining a function. After that, you can name your function whatever you like. For example, add a and b. So what I have added in these two brackets, these are the inputs I am giving to my machine, and those inputs in the world of programming are called arguments. A silly name, but we have to comply with them. You will now process those arguments. For example, you will say, I am making a variable called c that is going to add a and b. It will add a and b and save the value in itself. After I hit save, I will return c. So return statements is this slab we can see in this machine which will output the result. It is indispensable that you must give a return to any function you are defining. So just how this is the way you can make a function and then reuse that function as many times you want. You don't have to add the numbers using the plus sign again and again. You have made a function and now the life is easier and you can use it wherever you want. Add 4 and 5, 9. Add 6 and 5 to 8. So that's how you make functions and make your life easier. Thank you very much.